Good morning, and welcome to your pre-market briefing for India as we gear up for trading on Tuesday, October 28, 2025. Let's get you up to speed with the global market cues, domestic trends, and key stocks to watch before the opening bell. The S&P 500 rose about 1.2%, the Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed approximately 0.7%, and the Nasdaq Composite surged approximately 1.9%, each hitting fresh record highs. Gains were driven by optimism around a potential U.S.-China trade deal and growing expectations that the Federal Reserve will soon cut interest rates. Nikkei 225 in Japan slipped around 0.3%, and Kospi in South Korea fell nearly 1%, as investors took a pause after recent highs and awaited major tech earnings and policy cues. Meanwhile, optimism remains in the region supported by easing U.S.-China trade tensions, although the broad MSCI Asia-Pacific Index edged down approximately 0.2% as some markets digested the rally. Meanwhile, GIFT Nifty futures are hovering near 26,054, suggesting a positive to range-bound start for Indian equities today. Silver futures hit the lower circuit on the Multi-Commodity Exchange of India, MCX, after a sharp earlier rally, with prices down approximately 3.1% and dropping to about 1.41 lakh rupees per kilogram in some contracts. A report says India's IT sector is on track to surpass $400 billion by 2030, driven by AI adoption and rising global outsourcing of complex workflows. Indian Oil Corporation (IOC) posted a multi-fold jump in Q2 profit, driven by stronger refining margins amid falling global crude oil prices. Tyre and Industries posted its first quarterly profit increase in over a year, aided by tax cuts and strong festive season demand for vehicles. Raymond Limited saw a decline in quarterly profit despite higher revenues, as rising expenses weighed on its performance. Nifty is still supported near 25,720, while resistance can be seen at 26,000. Currently, the index is seeing a consolidation phase, looking for triggers to propel momentum on either side. Key risks for today include potential volatility from U.S. Fed rate expectations, renewed geopolitical or trade tensions, and weakness in global commodities like gold. On the flip side, catalysts to watch are strong domestic liquidity, progress in India's IPO pipeline, and optimism around global trade and monetary easing that could keep market sentiment positive. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of around 56 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of approximately 2,492 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on October 28, 2025. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.